In this video, I'm gonna cover probability. What is probability? Okay, so for example, you have A, B, C, A, and they are spinning. Okay, so you have to find what is the probability when this thing spinning, it will turn A, or what is the probability it will turn B, right? So probability is, let's say you have a 4 different possibility, A, B, C, A. So what is the possibility these things will go A? Okay, that's the probability. So let's say the number of A is 1, total possible outcome is 4. So if this is spinning, so it could be A, B, C, let's say this is D. So the possibility it could be A, B, C, D. So what is the possible for A? That would be equation for probability. So probability of these things goes to the A will be, if this is D, A, B, C, A, B, C, D. So if this is D, A, B, C, D, possibility these things turns to the A will be 1 out of the 4. The 4 is the total. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 out of the 4 will be possible. This will turn into A, right? So what about if this is A and this is A? So A, B, C, A. We have a 2A now. What is the possibility this will turn into A? We will say 2 out of the 4. 2 out of the total, right? So 2 out of the 4 is possibility these things will turn to A if this is spinning, or 1 out of 2. Now we touch in ratio, right? So they are equal. 2 out of 4, right? 2 over 4 is equal to 1 over 2. So that means, so possibility this will turn A is either 2 out of 4 or 1 out of 2, because they are equal, right? So what about this? 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3. So how many we have in a total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the total. What is the probability this will turn into the 1? So 1, 2, 3. 3 out of 8 is the probability these things will turn to 8. Means if 8 times you turn it, possibility this will goes to the 1. The chance is only 3 times out of that 8. This is what is all about a probability. Always look the number asking and over that number they're asking over the total. That's what is all about the probability. So this lesson is also a 6th grade for probability.